Hey everyone, it's Ashley from All About That Paint. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll watch me transform my first piece of furniture. You'll watch this dresser behind me go from drab to fab. So stay tuned to watch the magic happen, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks y'all, bye! For this piece, I used Beyond Paint's all-in-one paint in the Nantucket color. I also used a 2-inch chip brush and a 1/4 woven nap roller. The first thing I did with this piece is spray it down with simple green cleaner and wipe it down with a lint-free cloth. Okay, I'm about to sand this dresser. This is my first time using a sander, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but I think it'll turn out great. The grit on here is 80. I'm going to start with 80 and see what happens, and then maybe do 120. Well, let's see. Alright, I just did one pass on this dresser here. I think I'm going to do another pass with the 80 grit and see what happens, and then maybe after that do the 120 grit. Hopefully after the 120 grit, the top will be good enough to either paint or I may stain it. I don't know. We'll see. To be continued. So now I'm just going to take the hardware off of the front, and then after I do that, I am probably going to start painting it. But first I'm going to do this and put them all in this little baggie so I keep it all in one spot. That's it. For now. All right, now it's time to paint. So I have this all-in-one from Beyond Paints. It's a bonds, primes, and seals. So all you have to do is basically paint the piece. And it's in Nantucket color. So it's kind of like a green bluish color. This is my paint pan. I put foil in it so that for easy cleanup, I can just fold it up and throw it in the trash. I have a chip brush, which is to get in the creases, so just like right in here, and then a 1/2 inch nap roller. It's a premium white woven roller. So we're just gonna roll across the whole piece. So see how it goes. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm still working on the first coat of paint. So I painted the dresser portion. I was going to leave the drawers in, but I decided to take them out because I thought it would be better. So I'm starting on the drawers. I have to finish the third drawer. Having little paint issues though. The paint is a little chunky, so I have to fix that. Maybe I'll try and stir it to make it smoother, but I'm not sure why it's getting chunky on me. But that's okay, because we're still going to make it work. And gotta finish the first coat, then I gotta let it dry, and then I have to do another coat. So there's where we're at. Okay, so here's a picture of the first jar of paint that I got, and it's not supposed to look chunky like that. It's actually supposed to look smooth, and you're not supposed to have to stir it. So I sent it back to the company and I just ordered a new one, and the new one was much better. I think it was just a bad batch, but this paint actually works really well. It goes on great. It's easy for beginners, and I actually really love the paint, and I would use it again on another project. Okay, so here we go, round two. I got some new paint here. This is the all-in-one Beyond paint. It is the color Nantucket. So I got a new jar, so let's see if there is, if it's better than the first jar, because the first jar had some chunks in it. So let's see how smooth this one goes. Much better, so you can see much smoother. Okay, so I finished the drawers. There are some areas that I'm not too pleased with, so I'm going to probably fill them in with a little wood filler. So you can see there's little holes here, there, and then over here. Sorry about the sun, but over here there's a big little gouge there. So I'm going to just apply a little wood filler in there, let it dry, and then sand it down and repaint those areas. This is the wood filler I'm going to use. And then just my little, I don't know what you call this, kind of looks like a little spatula. But anyways, I'm going to use that to just smooth it down in the holes. All right. Okay guys, let me just show you where I went wrong. I went wrong with the wood filler. Okay, honestly, just a tiny dab will do ya. You do not need to put a whole ton of wood filler on like I did. A newbie's mistake, I guess. You literally just need to fill the hole, because I just painted my, what I thought, or what I hoped would be my last layer of paint, but you can see where the wood filler is. So let me just flip this around and show you. See those little bright spots right there, over there. You can see them down there too. So drawers don't look horrible, but see, there's spots there. I'm gonna have to do some more sanding tomorrow and paint it again, and hopefully those spots will not be as visible. All right, well, it's all part of the learning process here. Hey everyone! Okay, so I'm almost done with this dresser here, my first piece. I ended up having to sand down the areas where I put the wood filler again, and then I had to do 2 more coats of paint in order for it not to show through. So I'm just sanding the wood down here because it's scraping the doors as they open and shut. Okay, final steps. I got these cute little knobs here at Hobby Lobby. So I am just going to start putting them on the dresser here, and then it will be all finished. Ta-da! The finished product. I'm very pleased how it turned out, and I had so much fun doing it. I can't wait to do more projects in the future. Video, let's see. Is it running?
It's running.
Okay.
Still running.
It is. Subscribe button. Thanks y'all. Bye. Whoa. Okay, I'm behind me go from drab to fab. So in the video, you will see me. Hey everyone, it's Ashley from All About That Pig.